I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a wine business. We'll cover everything from planning and securing finances to selecting the perfect location and navigating legal requirements. It's crucial to lay a strong groundwork for future success. Start with a clear vision for your winery, considering all foundational elements before you begin. Once your foundation is set, focus on the heart of your business, the grapes and the winemaking process. We'll discuss choosing the right varietals, cultivating them with care, and then transforming them into exceptional wine using proper equipment and techniques. Quality starts in the vineyard and continues through every step of production. With your wine crafted, it's time to introduce it to the world. This slide focuses on building a compelling brand that resonates with consumers. We'll explore effective marketing strategies, from eye-catching labels to establishing strong distribution channels, ensuring your wine reaches its target audience and stands out. As your wine business grows, ongoing management and adaptation are key. This final slide covers strategies for sustainable growth, including market analysis and product expansion. We'll also emphasize the importance of staying compliant with all industry regulations to ensure long-term success and maintain your reputation in the market.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.